Hello and welcome to another video with me, Christian Rauchenwald. Now in the last videos we've covered how to buy a domain in less than 5 minutes, how to connect the domain to your ClickFunnels account in less than 5 minutes, how to set up your Google G Suite account in under 10 minutes with a 20% discount for the first year, and how to set up your DKIM records within G Suite. Now in this video we are going to cover how to set up your SPF records that prevent other people from spoofing your email address, meaning from sending emails in your name. Now let's get right to it. Now, since I've bought my domain at Namecheap, I need to log into the Namecheap dashboard. If you've registered your domain anywhere else, then you need to log in there and find the DNS Management section. Within Namecheap, you can either go straight from the dashboard by clicking on the Manage button right next to the domain if it's listed here. However, if you have multiple products, you may not find it here. In that case, head to the domain list on the left-hand side, and there find your domain and click on the Manage button on the right of it. Now once that's loaded, you need to go to the Advanced DNS settings and you need to create a new text record by scrolling down and clicking on Add New Record. Now there from the drop down you pick Text Record and you enter an @ sign into the hostname field because this entry should be valid for everything, and in the value field you simply add the following content, which you can find in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste it. What this does is basically telling other servers that receive emails that seem to come from your address that only the email servers from _spf.google.com are allowed to send emails from that domain. If somebody else is sending emails from their server spoofing your address, the receiving server will be aware that the email didn't actually originate from an approved server and therefore will classify the email as spam or reject it straight away. Now, if you're sending from other sources, like maybe you're using a Zendesk account, or maybe you have other mail servers that send emails out as well, then you need to consider that in your SPF configuration. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're not going to cover this topic in detail. Now, if you have any issues with setting up your SPF records whatsoever, just leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I have some time. Now that said, make sure to also check out the next video of this playlist where we are going to cover how to set up your DMARC entries for your domain.